Hello, welcome to Chief Architect Workshop. In this video, we are going to teach you how to graphically represent a takeoff to send to your client, to get that takeoff quickly using the CAD tools, and doing an overlay and doing a very nice graphic presentation so you know what to order. All right, let's get started. We've already done about a couple phases of it. In essence, we'll take an area, use the Chief tool to create a CAD shape, and then read what the area is, and punch it up. And to graphically represent it, I've got everything on the on here. Let's see, when we go to here. Line style. I've got everything on CAD Framing, so we can turn that off if we need to. We can just go here, turn off CAD Framing, and we just have our standard elevation. And since in this case we're going to want our elevation, and we're going to want to graphically represent it into a layout. So here's a layout sheet that we've been sending it to. That's us. That's our website. Take a peek. Check us out. We've done two faces. Let's keep going around the house. This is the one we just completed. And now what I've been breaking this up into a garage and pool or whatever. Let's do this elevation, which will, actually we haven't done this face here. This face essentially will be the same as this face, so we're going to just multiply it times 2 and say that's times 2, this face and this face. So I'll just put a quick times 2 in parentheses there to indicate garage. So, okay, let's go to this elevation. Let's go here, and CAD Framing needs to be turned on because we're going to copy some CAD Framing elements. Now we've already calculated that, so we don't need that. We've already got that on the sheet. What we want is this and this, and this we're going to be at times 2. So we're going to go back to this elevation. Actually, let's go back to this elevation. Just steal a very simple rectangle. Edit. Copy, go to this elevation, go to edit, paste. And what this does with this area, with this little, some of the interesting information about this is, let's click on it here. What we've done is we've gone to a fill style. We've picked a light gray. That guy there, okay, a light gray. And put a transparency of 26, actually. Let's make it even a little bit more transparent, just kind of 30 maybe. Yeah, a little bit. You can see a little bit more. And so you can see what we're overlaying. And all we're going to do, what's beautiful about Chief, is it calculates the area for you. You just got to represent it accurately. And, oh, that's got a little break in there. I didn't know that. All right, there's that area there. There's actually a little, yeah, it actually comes up a little higher because this comes down here. So we're just going to represent that by that. Yeah, because it's 10 feet. And that's, we're going to do that times 2. So this area, go down to our, has 368. Go back to this elevation, steal this text because it has all the elements. It's on the CAD Framing layer that we can turn on and off. Control V. I forgot what this was. So what is it? Let's go back here. What is that? It is 368. I need more coffee or sleep. 368. I think sleep is the answer. 368. There we go. There's that guy there. And now we're going to say that times 2 because the other face will go Control C, Control V, and we'll go other face in parentheses. Other face. Okay. And there's the door and whatnot, but whatever. It's close enough. That'll... typo. And that should have been a... there. Okay, other face. And that tells the story that's on that side and on the back side. And it's fine. All right, and now we want to do what's happening here. It's actually happening here. This, you know, you got to know your building. You know that pool. This is actually part of the house. This is the pool building. This is part of the house. So again, let's take this easy. Control C, Control V. Let's position it. The natatorium does die there. Let's take a look at the plan real quick and see what we're doing here. Yeah. Okay, it just comes up. This comes up a little bit, so it's just a little bit higher. So you just, okay, so what's going on here is this. It's pretty much exactly as it sounds. There's nothing that tricky. Let's go there. Let's break it. There, because it's the overhang. It comes up to about there. And that is the square footage of that, which is 290. We'll take that, Control C, Control V. And we're going to call it 290. 290 square feet. And we have that guy there. Okay, yeah, that is the pool building. This is the garage. This is the pool building. So that's those two planes of the building. And now we're going to want to send that to our layout sheet. We've determined that 1/8 inch scale is, no, we don't want to export. We want to send to the layout. And we want the current screen at 1/8 of an inch. All right. Okay. And actually, oh, yeah, barely. Close enough. Sneak that guy in. And the gray will tell you that that's that's what we're doing. Okay, and so on. You can just keep going around the planes and make sure you got all your planes covered. Create a graphic, add them all up on a spreadsheet, and there's your takeoff that you can verify what fish scale, what the various siding is. All right, check our website out, chicago-workshop.com, and shoot us an email. The contact information is on the website. And we'll see you next time.